Hey everybody, and welcome back to Active Academy, Health at Home, Wellness at Work. So today we're going to be doing a quick workout. We are on workout number 3 for the Turkey Week workout. So I've been in the car today driving, and we got here and we're spending time with Sterling's family right now. So haven't gotten to it till today or later this night. I don't know exactly when you guys are going to be seeing this, but we'll try to post this today. So I'm going to give you a quick how-to and then we'll get started. So this workout will consist of the following: 10 Pilgrim Pushups. Make sure your arms are at 90 degrees and keep your back straight. 10 Gobble squats. Feet shoulder width apart and squat down. Make sure your knees stay behind your toes. 10 turkey toe raises. So you come like this and put your legs into the air. Just make sure your shoulders are on the ground and you're keeping your core engaged. 10 Basting Burpees. Ten stuffing sit-ups, and we're just going to do crunches so that your shoulder blades just barely come up off the ground. Otherwise, we're engaging our hip flexors, and we really want to be focusing just on the core. And finally, 10 Pilgrim popovers. If you have a small block or stepping stool that you can use, that works. Otherwise, just do this. Alright, so that's the how-to guide. Go ahead and do it on your own. You want to do as many sets as you can within 20 minutes. Otherwise, join me in the workout. Let's get started. Alright, so like I said in the description of this video, I won't be playing music because of copyright issues, but I have included a link to a Spotify playlist that I created that has lots of fun, upbeat Thanksgiving music you can work out to. With that, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Burpees, favorite part. Okay, and now crunches. Stuffing sit-ups, but crunches. And now our pumpkin popovers. 9, 10. Okay, that was one set. Okay, so that was one set. Just gonna take a quick minute break. Get some water. You can go ahead and take this break. This time just stretch out. And after being in the car for super long today, my body needs to be able to stretch as well. Okay, let's get back to it. Okay, gobble gobble squats. You can add a little bit of a turkey gobble gobble to it if you want. Okay. Turkey toe raises. Basting burpees. Oh my gosh. Halfway done with burpees. Remember to take these at your own pace. You're trying to get in as many sets as you can within 20 minutes. I've honestly lost track. Whew. Okay. Okay. Now we've got our stuffing almost set up. And now our pumpkin popovers. 2, 3, 4, take another minute of rest. So while we're taking our minute of rest here, I just wanted to mention again, 25 days of workouts. It's going to be our challenge for December. I'm still working on all of the details and whether or not it will be feasible for me to do this. But I'm hoping to have some form of a reward for anyone that does it with me for the whole 25 days. So starting December 1st, the challenge will be to post a picture of your workout on social media with the hashtag 25 days of workouts and to tag Active Academy in your post. Just to show the world that we're strong and that even though 2020 has been a crazy year, our bodies are still strong and we're still able to use them to do amazing things. So your workout doesn't have to be anything super intense. It can be just taking a 30-minute walk, going for a 30-minute jog, going to the gym if you're able to right now, doing a quick workout at home. I would ask that you try to do at least 30 minutes a day. Because we'll be doing it, 7 days a week, you can shorten that up a little bit. The recommendation is to get 150 minutes of exercise time in every week. So try to make sure that that's your end goal, but you can, go ahead and do a short workout some days and a longer workout other days. My basic plan is going to be doing cardio workouts, so running about 3 times a week, and then doing some sort of mat work the other 3, and then probably doing some yoga on Sundays as a nice relaxing rest day. So feel free to join with me in that challenge, and like I said, I'm working on drawing up some form of a prize for anyone that does all 25 days with me. So a little Christmas gift to everyone, and all of you who have been supporting me throughout this whole internship. So with that, I invite you to do it, and let's get back to our workout. Pilgrim Pushups. Okay. And now, gobble gobble squats. Okay, turkey toe raises. Basting burpees. Feel free to take your time on these and make sure that when you're doing that push-up, you've got the right form. I think that's 7. Oh. Okay. 9. Last one. Okay. Stopping sit-ups or crunches. 3, 4, 5, 6, pumpkin pop overs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, another minute rest. Get some water. Up those hands. You might stretch out a little bit if you need to. And I need to. Oh man. It never feels like the drive is very long. But once you're in that car for 5 hours, it gets... Oh, if you can feel how long you've been in one position. Afterwards, for sure. Okay, it's been about a minute. Let's keep going. This might be our last set if we're lucky. It's at 15, so we'll see. Ooh. Okay. 10 Pilgrim Pushups. Oh, I can feel myself starting to sag. Oh, that means it's a good workout. Gobble gobble squats. I guess it really means my muscles are tired and it's time to focus on making sure they're all performing correctly, which means it's a tough workout, but not always necessarily a good workout. You shouldn't be pushing yourself too much. 8, 9, 10. Turkey toe raises. You want to make sure you're giving yourself just enough time to recuperate and do every move the right way and have good form. Basting burpees. Why has every workout had burpees in it? Who knows? I'm gonna take my glasses off. They're getting all fogged up. Okay. Stuffing sit-ups for more crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and Pilgrim Pushups. Alright everybody, that has been Turkey Week workout number 3. We're working out again tomorrow. Again, I'm not exactly sure what time. It is Thanksgiving tomorrow, so I would prefer to do a workout before eating all of that food. But I will also try to make sure that the workout's a little bit easier, so that if you are doing it with the full belly, nothing bad will happen. Anyways, thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and feel free to comment below whether or not you've done this workout, if you've enjoyed the playlist, if you've enjoyed doing Thanksgiving workouts this week, and I hope to see you participate with me during 25 days of workouts. Thanks so much everyone. See you next time.